po. Pahaba na po tayo ng...
Simpit lang mo. 21 na. Dua agad na.
To give the cape, let's call on Mr. Ruben Manzano and wife.
Entendido, ¿eh? Entendido, ¿eh?
To give the cape, we have Mr. Ruben Manzano and wife, the scepter to be given by Consul Eric and Miss Karen Trujillo. Okay, once again, we have our top three for Miss Value Fiesta 2024. Okay, ayan po. Let's have a photo with our ambassador. Ambassadors, please join. Please join them for the photo opportunity. Once again, congratulations, Miss Rose Versosa, Binibining Luzon, Miss Binibining Lakambini, Valentina Padilla, and Binibining Value Fiesta 2024, Miss Irene Pandera of KBL. Ayan, maraming salamat po kay Binibining Islas Gigantes, Binibining Urdaneta City, Binibining Tarlac, Binibining Isabela, Binibining Ilocos Sur, Binibining La Union. And Binibining Mindanao and Binibining Visayas. Okay, Miss Shona, papunta na tayo sa ating top 3. Alright, nako, exciting to. Sino ang ating top 3. Maraming salamat po sa kanilang paghihirap. Is the winner for Miss Popular with 7,738 likes. Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you, Ambassadors. Thank you, Sophia. With 7,730. Congratulations, Miss Valentina. Okay. Most popular. Hindi pa tayo tapos, Miss. Marami nating voices. So, dyan lamang po kayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-award here on stage. Thank you so much to our Miss Value Fiesta. That is 100 euros. Okay, piliin mo ang Pilipinas. May we call on stage Ms. Roda Velasco to give the awards? Ayan, sila po yung sumayaw ng medley ng Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Napakahusay. Beauty. Okay. Mahusay ang mga to. Alright, our Liliana, congratulations. Ayan, masyado kang masaya.